of Savitribai Phule, who was died or who was passed away on 10th March. Fortunately, luckily, 10th March is my birthday. Yeah, it is excellent. See, then a woman who was died some 118 years ago, why do we need to recollect or remember or hold the Vardhanti or the birth anniversary? A woman who was born exactly 176 years ago, died 118 years ago, but today she has become the icon of the subaltern people, the icon of the grassroots level people who are trying to assert their rights, who are struggling for asserting the rights of the grassroots level today, the people. That is why Savitribai Phule is becoming the symbol. Savitribai Phule is becoming the icon of this country for the grassroots level people. Therefore, in hundreds and thousands of places in this country, across the country, whether it is the Jayanti or the Vardhanti is being celebrated across the country. What she did, a woman who was born 175 years ago, what she did to remember, to hold the Vardhanti like this, or across the country, or in thousands of places, it is because of she did something extraordinary which was not done by anybody else. The extraordinary work was that it is touching the heart of the people who have been denied the rights for centuries together, for more than 3,000 of years in the history of this country. For the largest chunk of the people in this country, one of the most important human rights, that was the right to education. Therefore, she is time and again, repeatedly, almost every year, she is being celebrated. She is being the Vardhantis are being held on the name of Savitribai Phule for doing their work, for committing their ideological commitment. Today they are changing the future or the present political scenario, the future political scenario of this country. Therefore, we are supposed to hold the Vardhanti of Savitribai Phule or Chakal Ailamma, or those people who fought for the rights of the downtrodden section of this country. Therefore, that is why we are celebrating, we are conducting, or we are holding the Vardhanti of Savitribai Phule. Probably if you look at carefully, comparatively, Malala, a young girl child who has got Nobel Award recently for fighting against the adults, that is to achieve the right to education for the girl child. In one of the Southeast Asian countries, he achieved the Nobel Award. If Alfred Nobel was alive, was born probably in the beginning of the 19th century, if he could have been started this Nobel Award in 19th century itself, certainly I am sure that Savitribai Phule could have got the Nobel Award in the at least late 19th century. Unfortunately, Alfred Nobel was not born. He has not done this extraordinary work in producing of the nuclear bombs, and that there was no Nobel Award. But Nobel Award is being given only those people who are alive. See, if Savitribai Phule could have been achieved the Nobel Award, probably she become the world-renowned versatile genius because of doing for extraordinary work. But that time it was not there. But at least the government of India could not recognize the kind of service that was rendered by Savitribai Phule. The one illustration I would like to give you is that she was the first woman teacher in the country. Savitribai Phule was the first woman teacher in the country. It was the women who entered the Dalit streets for providing the education to the Dalit girl children. The government of India some 1 decade ago started a program exclusively for the dropout girl children in the country. But that program was named after Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya. What the Kasturiba Gandhi has did for the the downtrodden section of the society? What she has did for the downtrodden girl children of this country? See, genuinely, if we can go by, the kind of work that was rendered towards the adult children in this country, that national programs they have named after Savitribai Phule, but that was not done because of the conspiracy that was initiated by the Brahminical state forces or the bureaucratic forces against the downtrodden section. Therefore, Savitribai Phule name was not tagged to the national program which was meant for the girl children in this country. That was one of the most unfortunate act that was done by the government of India. So that is the kind of injustice that is being perpetrated, reinforced against the Dalit women, a downtrodden section women. Therefore, at least now today the grassroots level movement, the grassroots level civil society, the people have been building a movement around Savitribai Phule, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, in order to provide an alternative political force in this country. It is building a movement to come out to the ideological slavery of the downtrodden section of the society. You know, in fighting the OBC reservations as a social responsibility, paying back towards the other backward classes, the Dalit force, the Ambedkarites, were the forefront in fighting for the OBC reservations. The OBC reservations. It is the Dalit forces who taught. It is the Dalit forces who taught how to learn how to walk in fighting for their rights. And today, the backward classes people have got, they are able to walk with their own legs. After getting this capacity to walk on their own, after getting the capacity to articulate, speak, express their own depression or their social deprivation, the backward classes are becoming, most of these backward classes becoming ideological slavery, the ideological slaves to the so many ideologies. For example, I will tell you, today the backward classes are the carrier of the flags of the almost all the political parties. They are the ideological slaves of all the political parties. Whether you are leftist political forces, or your rightist political forces, or your centrist political forces. I am not denying, I am not condemning the Marxist forces or the leftist forces or the Marxism as a master theory of the social transformation in order to understand as a concept. Unfortunately, today in this country, the leftist ideology has become some sort of a drug addiction. The leftist ideological force has become some sort of a drug addiction in this country. They are bringing you under the fold of these backward classes people are becoming some sort of an ideological slavery under this drug addiction of the leftist political forces. Similarly, they are also becoming some sort of ideological slaves of the rightist political force. The rightist political force today is being built on some sort of a mythology, a religion which was not at all in existence, which was not at all making any effort to solve the problems of the people, real problems of the people. A centrist political force which has becoming irrelevant, redundant, which has set aside the backward classes, but they are becoming the ideological slave. Therefore, we are supposed to recollect, we are supposed to hold the Vardhante of Savitribai Phule in order to come out from the ideological slavery, in order to become the ideological slavery, in order to become the force, alliance force with the Dalit people who enabled your capacity in order to fight for your rights. Fight for your rights, therefore you should become on your own. You should become assert the ideology of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. You should adopt the ideology of Savitribai Phule. You should become the followers of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, which is the realistic, the ideology of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. Savitribai Phule, which is more scientific, more rational, humanistic, which is the relevant, which is the future, which is the political strategy in order to liberate yourself, in order to overcome your issues or problems. That is the ideology to fight against the injustice that is being perpetrated by the Brahminical social forces in this country. The state, the bureaucracy, the market, and the civil society, dominant civil society, political forces in this country. This is the only path. This is the only alternative ideology that has been existed as of now today, because of the people. These are the people who have been making the history, the future. As the future is moving, the importance of Savitribai Phule, the importance of Jyotiba Phule, importance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has been growing. Therefore, you should come out from the ideological slavery. You should take the right path, the right ideological stand, right politics, right alternative politics in order to assert yourself, enlighten yourself, liberate yourself. You should assert the democratic rights, the constitutional rights. Therefore, you should inspire, in order to inspire yourself, in order to motivate yourself. It is the time, it is the essential to follow, adopt the ideology that was, or the activism, the framework that was given by Savitribai Phule. That is only the alternative path in order to liberate yourself. With these few words, I would like to take, while appreciating the kind of efforts that are being put forward the Backward Classes Association on this campus, because the purpose of the Backward Classes Association, I think it is in order to democratize the campus, democratize the society, it is to democratize the state, it is to democratize the market, it is to democratize the civil society. Therefore, it has been established on this campus. It's because in 1999, I challenged in Andhra Pradesh High Court in order to implement the OBC reservations. Still, that case is pending in Andhra Pradesh High Court. The judge who has received my case, the judge has become the Supreme Court judge. The case was challenged in 1999. The judge who received my petition has become the Supreme Court judge. Within few months or within few days, the judge is going to become the Chief Justice of Supreme Court in this country. But the case is still pending in the Andhra Pradesh High Court. The case was filed in 1999. OBC case, it is to implement the reservations. The reservation judgment that was delivered to the Supreme Court in 1992. In 1992, Supreme Court clearly stated that you should implement the 27% reservations. That was the decision taken by VP Singh government in 1990s. But that was not implemented, so that I challenged the API court. But still the case has been in pending API court. Judge has become the Supreme Court judge. And people who have taken the appointment orders with a condition that it is subject to the court judgment, they became the professors. But OBC case is still pending in the High Court. Therefore, in order to fight for your legal rights, fight for your democratic rights, fight for your constitutional rights, I think this association has been established. This association must fight for the cause of the OBCs. This association must fight for the naming one of the auditoriums on the campus after Savitribai Phule. That is the need, that is the essence. Therefore, the Dalit forces, the OBC forces, the minorities, the women, the 50% of the women must fight for in order to assert Savitribai Phule as a fighter of the social justice, as a fight, the women who fought for the social transformation in this country. So you should all unitedly fight for at least as a minimum gratitude of the tribute. That is the minimum tribute that we can pay towards the sacrifices that was rendered by Savitribai Phule against all the hurdles that was created by the Dadian social system. Of course, that's the same conditions which have been continuing. In order to fight against this system, you should all unite, you should all democratize, you should all fight for the constitutional rights. With these few words, I take the leave. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.